Hi, it's Richie Jaffe, the voice of Moxor, and I have the privilege and honor today of being with Dr. Scott Graham, a member of the Moxor Medical Advisory Board. Dr. Graham, thanks for taking your valuable time. Tell us today, if you would, about ETA that's found in Moxor and why is it important?
Sure. Well, thanks for having me, Rich. He actually just grabbed me as I was walking through. But I think one of the most important things for distributors to know and remember and discuss a lot about is the ETA. ETA is a very unique omega-3 that's only found in the green lip mussel. This has been studied for 30 years, and there's been a lot of research on it. It's one of the many reasons why Moxor is so special. ETA is an isomer of arachidonic acid. Arachidonic acid is one of the precursors to the inflammation cascade, and ETA can come in and decrease arachidonic acid and decrease the inflammation cascade. So that's why we say it happens at the cellular level, because it's happening on that cell membrane. So ETA, very, very important, very unique. It's only found in the green lip mussel, and it's one of the many reasons why green lip mussel oil and Moxor is the best there is.
Dr. Graham, thanks for your time. Thanks for your service to the company over the last several years on our medical advisory board. Folks, tune in next time to see Moxor TV.